Hello guys, what's up? This is Amit Pach and I hope that you are doing absolutely well. So I'm sure that everybody is very scared about the exams. Everybody is thinking whether whatever I've learned in during these days, whether same things are going to come in the exam or no. What if those things come which I have left while studying? So it's okay. It is a very natural feeling, and when I was a student, I used to have the same feelings. So it is okay to have these kind of feelings. Okay. Now the point is, sir, we are not able to understand one thing, which questions to be seen on the last day, or which question should be referred, and which concepts should be referred. Should we do DT first? Should we do IDT first? I will just try to guide you in the best possible way right now. See, on the last day, like one day before the exam, according to me, you should start with GST. You start with GST and you try to finish GST before 1 p.m. of the next day, right? You complete the GST along with the questions, and after that you start with DT, because DT as compared to IDT is vast, right? And that's why I am recommending you to do GST first, complete it by 1 p.m. Next day, and then you start with DT for the entire day, and till you complete DT. Now the point is, sir, which questions to be seen? If I tell you that for the questions, what I've done is I have made a list of LDR questions, that is the last day revision questions. These are my questions. According to me, these questions are covering almost everything. So you can definitely refer these questions, and I'm sure that after referring these questions, you will be able to cover it. Because see, the point is, you anyways will not be able to cover everything and each and every question which is there in your question bank. So we have to pick up certain questions. So if we have to pick up certain questions, we have to ensure that we have covered all the types of questions. Even minimum types of questions, we should be able to cover maximum concepts. And according to me, I have done that. And if you feel that, if I have 7 questions, if you feel that no, you have marked 3 more questions which are new, then in that case, along with these 7 questions, you can do your 3 questions as well, so that it will be all complete. And according to me, you will not face any kind of problem in the exam. And see, the point is, don't have this fear in your mind that if you are not able to complete everything on the last day, I will not remember anything, or I will not get anything in the exam. It is not the case. You have studied hard, and we have worked hard together. I'm also sharing one MCQ video with you guys. It is around 6 or 7 hours. You can refer to that. You will understand that how to approach MCQs. After that, you will be just absolutely done, and you will be ready for the exams. Don't worry, don't get scared of the exams. It is okay. It is just an exam, and you will do great. Don't worry. And if you have any kind of questions, you already have my email ID, mahajanvirtual, not S, not virtuals, mahajanvirtual07 @gmail.com. If you have any queries, please reach out to me. Of course, I have a lot of queries which are pending from my end, but yes, I will try to revert to your email as soon as possible. So thank you so much, guys. You're doing well. Let me tell you once again, let me remind you once again, you are going to rock the exam because you have worked hard. And yes, this is going to be our last attempt. So that's it for today. This is Amit Pach, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you and take care. All the best. Bye bye.